Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one more variation of Keherwa Taal. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 3, and a 1, and 1. Let's break it down now. We will play the first beat on the bass of our Congo like this 1, and then we will play on the high tom 1 and after this we will play mid tom 2 times and make sure you start with your left hand like this 2 1 2 one more time 1 2 and then we will play and on the bass and after this on the high tom and up. 1, 2, and up. One more time. 1, 2, and up. The rhythmic pattern of third and fourth beat is exactly same as the rhythmic pattern of first and second beat respectively. Now let's play the complete rhythm together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1, and a 3, and a 1, and a 3, and a 1. And a 3, and a 1, and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.